Oh, I thought you were gonna take a picture.
So gangsta, peace.
I'm gonna leave him a very dirty mess.
Say hi.
Hi!
Okay then. Oh, did he ask you to go?
Who?
Jimmy?
To Six Flags?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't want to go to Six Flags.
Why?
Because I don't want to die.
Hey, dude, I ain't gonna let anything happen to you. If you die, I die.
Yeah, but that means I'm gonna have to go in the car and, like, you're either gonna want to go on the rides with him or with me. And that would feel really bad if we leave Jimmy alone. You know?
Dude, okay, it's not like it's gonna be the
Hello?
three of us.
Hey, faggot, thanks for answering your phone. No, wait. What's it called? I don't know if you're probably asleep right now on a Friday night. It's 10:30. Hello? Call me back. Taylor wants to say something to you.
Hey, buddy. Okay, bye.
Hey, buddy. Nice, buddy. I love you. Okay, bye-bye.
Dude, your feet are cold. Get them away from me.
My feet are sexy.
You suck.
What? Okay, just call me when you're close to my house. Okay. Out.
Hey, I'm close to your house. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Did you tell him I said hi?
Yes, I did. That's
Did
something
she?
on mine. Yeah. How was that?
Your mom?
Damn it. Yeah, I got a wiener dog. Tell her I said hi.
Tell him I said, how are you, buddy?
She said, how are you, my sexy lover?
Bush.
George Bush, duh. Don't you know I'm like BFFs with the President of the United
No.
States? Yes? Duh, it's like being friends with God.
Do you have God's number?
I think so.
It's called Jesus.
I think it's under Charlie.
Cry.
His name is Charlie God. Cry? Well, I was too lazy to write crystals. I just cry.
Who's DJ Chris? Can we call DJ Chris?
No.
Why not?
Because, trust me, if you get on the phone with him, you're never going to get off.
Who is it?
One of the DJs
Oh.
from my
Who's
church. My cousin.
Who's
Who
your-
is Taylor Leo? Hello, how am I your friend and I did not know how sexy you were?
Hey, you with the hair. Who's Gabby? Gammy.
Oh my god, he's hot.
Who's Gammy?
Let me see.
Gammy B.
Oh, my grandma Betta?
Oh, Gammy.
Well, because I don't want to
Jake.
spell grandma. Jake, my ex-boyfriend who lives in Florida?
Nah.
You can call his ass and be like, you fucker.
Who's one? Gay one?
Actually, I don't know who that is. I've been looking at it, I've been like, who are
Who's
you?
Kevin? No, I don't want to call Kevin.
Taylor's...
Taylor.
Oh my god.
Oh. Who's
Felipe's
Leo?
on.
Who's Leo?
My brother? I think.
Who's Liz?
I would like to know. I don't know.
Who's that?
That's Hobbs.
Who's Habs?
I don't know.
Is he hot?
I guess. He's doing kissy pictures.
Who's Matt?
I don't know. Let me see.
602-5109.
Let me see.
Can we call it?
No. I don't want to call anyone named Matt.
You have to say it all gross like that?
Yeah.
I don't want to call anyone named Matt.
Ew. Gross. Only.
Cool.
Ooh, who sent me a message?
It's probably Jamie.
That everybody's like, well, my house then. If you don't have it, 626-279.
Nobody freaking cares.
I don't want to call your house.
Who's Samantha?
I don't know.
Who's Sammy? Oh, not Sammy.
I don't want to call your house. What if your mom answers?
Who's Stacy, baby?
The one that hangs out with Rebecca?
Ooh.
She's freaking awesome. She does an apple pie.
No, not Stacy.
Rebecca?
Yeah. Who's Tammy?
Tammy Lee?
Tammy. That one?
Mm-hmm.
Nah. Taste Casa. It's called Taste Casa. Do what you
What's it called? Tony kicked my ass
Who's
today.
Tubby? Who's
Anthony?
Anthony?
Yeah, my...
Oh, my brother?
No, my tubby.
I mean, not my brother.
My tubby!
My daddy?
Look. I know, I saw. I don't want to message him.
What the? Who's that?
Not so bad. I don't want to message him.
Who's Vanessa? Hey, you with the hair. Who's Vanessa?
Some girl that almost got me arrested.
Why?
Because she ran away from home and I was helping her.
Ew.
Oh, except she didn't tell me that she was running away from home.
Who's Victor?
Gay Victor. Not our gay Victor, but another gay Victor.
And who's the other Victor? There's two Victors in there.
There's one Victor that was in me for math class and the other one's faggot Victor.
Ooh.
You know, faggot is a really mean word, but I love it. Jesus. God.
I want to call somebody. Can I just like close my eyes and just be like,
No,
call?
just call Nick. Keep
I'll
calling him. Trust me, he's gonna answer.
Only because you say so.